Hey guys, today we're doing a cup with one of my new cups that I got when I went shopping. If you haven't seen my Happy Crafting Lady Goes to the Craft Store video, you should check that out because it's really funny. I got these new cups and they have straws and screw-on lids that go on the inside. So I can go all the way up to the top on the cups. And so what I've decided to do today is a Valentine's glitter cup or something like that. So I have 3 different colors of spray paint, all from Rust-Oleum. I have grape and candy pink and something red. It doesn't say what it is. Red. And so we're going to put these 3 on the cup in like a smooshy all around kind of thing. And then we are going to use some clear white glitter that I got over the top of it. And you'll be able to see the colors underneath the glitter, but it makes it like shimmery. And then we're going to coat it with our KS resin, which is the brand that I always use. And I picked up these super cute stickers. They're technically, I think, window clings, but who cares? I'm going to put them on a cup. So I think I'm going to use this one that says Kiss Me, and then some of these other little hearts on the cup on top of the glitter. So first thing we're going to do is going to go outside and spray paint our cup. So let's get going. Hi guys, we're back inside with our cup that we spray painted. I just did different pink, purple, red splotches all over it. The red did like a drippy thing. It's whatever. So what we're about to do is we're going to take our KS resin and we're going to mix it, and then I'm going to put it on the cup, and then we're going to put glitter on top of the resin. And I'm going to do this from the other camera so you can see better, and probably won't be talking because I'm going to be wearing my respirator mask. So I will come back whenever we go to put our sticker on after the resin has cured and show you guys the next step. Alright guys, we're back with our Valentine's cup, our glittery, shiny Valentine's cup. I was getting ready to put my stickers that I bought on, and then I realized I didn't buy stickers, I bought window clings, and so they are not sticky at all. So what I'm going to have to do is go ahead and put my resin on the cup, and then I'm going to stick the window clings to the resin and pray that the stickers stay in the places that I put them and they don't move around. I'm going to try and do a super thin layer of resin so that I don't have any issues with it running. So we are going to move on to that step now. Hey guys, we're back with our cup again. Our first layer of resin and our stickers are on here. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but the stickers have kind of, this way, they've kind of puffed up a little bit. They've got a tiny little bit of an edge where they lifted up a little bit. So now what we're going to do is put our second layer of resin on it, hopefully our last layer of resin. And I'll let you guys know if I end up having to do a third layer, although I really hope that I don't have to, but some of these are sticking up quite a bit. So we'll see what happens. Let's get started. I'm going to go mix my resin and then we'll come back. Hey guys, we're back with the final part of our Valentine's cup video. This cup gave me so much trouble. I don't even have words for how much trouble this cup gave me. So mostly it was great. A couple of things that I would have done differently. I think I should have done a thinner layer of resin when I was putting the not sticky stickers on here. Because they bubbled up and meant that I had to do even more layers of resin, which ended up making the bottom of the cup, I don't know if you can tell, very crooked. There's one part of it where it seems like the resin kind of pooled, and so it doesn't sit straight. And I tried to sand it down and I did not get it sanded enough. And then I tried to resin it again and it still has the bubble. So it's a bit of a mess, and when I was sanding it, I don't know if you can really tell, but I clipped a piece of the sticker off the bottom. Super cute. Everything else is super adorable besides the little parts that I had issues with. So all in all, a good technique just needs a little bit of tweaking. So if you do something like this, a thinner layer of resin whenever you put your non-stick stickers on there so that they don't bubble up as much. Make sure that your cup is on so that you don't have your resin pulling to one side. Yeah, watch out for stickers on the bottom when you're sanding, because I'm very upset that I nicked that sticker. So this is probably just going to be a for me cup, because it's a bit of a hot mess, like someone I know. But anyways, it came out adorable apart from all the little tweaking that I need to do. So all in all, the technique, adorable, super adorable. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. That's just super cute. So I suggest trying. It's not going to hurt anything if you try a new technique, and maybe you guys will figure out a better way to do it than the way that I did it. But I didn't want to not do this video just because I had a couple mess ups. I wanted to show you guys that everybody makes mistakes, and you know, sometimes it happens and you just got to roll with it and figure out what to do better next time. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. That helps me a lot with views. And I'll see you guys next time.